Here are some easy steps you need to follow to keep your Broil King cast iron cooking grids performing for many years to come. Before cooking on your gas grill for the first time, wash the grids using a light detergent and water. Rinse, then dry with a towel. Never air dry grids or wash them in a dishwasher. Only use high smoke point oils. We recommend using one of these organic cold-pressed cooking oils: avocado oil, rice bran oil, canola oil. Now apply the oil to the cooking grids. Apply the oil generously to both sides of the grids. Coat every part of the cast iron grids thoroughly with a Broil King oil mister or a silicone brush. Do not use salted fat such as margarine or butter. Non-stick cooking sprays are less effective as they burn off at a low heat. Now that you've applied oil to your new cast iron cooking grids, light the grill and operate on a medium-low setting for approximately 30 minutes. The oil bakes on and creates a non-stick protective layer. Now turn the control knobs off. After the grids are cooled, they are seasoned and ready to use. Preheat the grill on a medium-low setting with the lid closed for about 15 minutes. Now it's time to enjoy the performance of cast iron. Adjust the temperature to medium-high for perfect steakhouse sear marks. Please visit 10and2steak.com so you can enjoy grilling the perfect steak. Before and after each use, brush your grids with a quality stainless steel bristle brush. Now inspect the grids carefully after brushing to ensure there are no broken bristles left on the grids. A great alternative to a stainless steel brush is a wooden scraper. Use it to clean food debris on top and between the cooking grids. Please follow the Broil King cast iron grids checklist and make sure you do this before and after every cookout. It's quick and easy. Simply clean your grids, then season your grids. This matters because it helps avoid rust. It creates a non-stick coating and prolongs the life and performance of your cast iron cooking grids.